Okay, thought I'd just share this with you. Go to PowerBI.com. I'm going to open up this dashboard. And we'll start at the beginning. This is all information that I downloaded from my MLS. I can slice and dice this now for sales, closed sales, coming soon sales, under contract, go and show. And one of the interesting things here is if we drill down far enough till the road turns blue, there we go. We can see the property. This is the Bing Street Viewer. Can also go back to everything. And as you can see, active, closed, coming soon, you can get a good idea of the status and everything else. The circles are telling me prices. It's 262, one, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Another thing that I've done is I've created this hover box that will tell me it's closed, rate per square foot, the address, bedrooms, bathrooms, the agent name and her phone number so I can call her if I need to verify something. We also, this listing, and note that when you click a data point, this becomes the actual. So it's sold for $360. It had a list price at $369. It's 9,148 square feet. Obviously one, nothing for sale, but we can, I took the virtual tour information and I can simply just copy that and drop it right into the browser, and I can see, the person's tour. Voila, yippee skippy. So that's kind of interesting and sort of fun. And I can, of course, click on multiple data points and start building sort of a story about stuff that's, like right around the subject here. And you can see how this information changes. This is a huge improvement. Still working on some formatting issues, but that negative 524, that's your Y value. That's the actual market change. And to get rid of outliers, we have these various controls. I'll just clear these filters out. But if I wanted to see the last 120 days, I can do that. And we see it's negative $95 a day. There really aren't any outliers per se in this, so I can just leave this alone. Maybe there are a few. But you get the gist of it. And, I can also type into this box like that, 5,000 to 15,000 to like 15,000, 1,100 to, I don't know, 1900. And as you can see, it immediately changes the Y value updates. I just have to do some formatting work with this as well as the date. But I think that's a pretty big improvement. This is pretty much the same, but I did add some information down here and property attributes. The next go round, these are all going to be predefined and drag and drop based on the MLS fields. So, you know, if you don't want status, you can just come over and drag a new pie chart on it. But the drill down for this, my subject does not have a fireplace. And now we can see that 20%, 21% of the market would be a traditional architectural style or transitional. We can expect that it's going to be a 2-story home. We can also see by year built where the ranges are. We can definitely see that it's all public water. We can have a look at the zoning that's predominantly R4, so on and so forth. But this is really the meat and potatoes of comparable selection decision support. I'm real proud of the map. This took me a while to figure some of this stuff out, but being able to hover over it. Oh, in my desktop version, I have a box here that, oh, here. So as I come through and, you know, I really like this, I really like this, I really like this, I really like this, and I really like that, I can, darn it. Basically, I can build a list of MLS numbers and then copy them into the MLS with a little Power Automate routine that, you know, makes them comma separated. So, you know, I can put that into the MLS by MLS number, click search, and it'll give me back the comparables that I want to use. So that's pretty much where we're at this point. And I could very easily create the market change for you if you want. And then off we go. Okay, so here we go. Have a good rest of your day. Talk to you soon.